On an Amtech elevator. Yeah, it's an Amtech. Oh, what? NorCal elevator. It must be an Amtech distributor. Anyway. Look at that. A Westinghouse indicator. What the fuck? That's bizarre. So we got a NorCal elevator here. Never heard of them before. But this is an Amtech, so look at that. Door open, no door closed. Very old. Oh, doesn't work. As you can see, there's no sensors.
Yeah.
Oh wow. It selected one when I pushed the call button out there. I think. Yeah, very clicky. Almost like a US circle button. Just a bit scratchy.
Squeaky.
Yeah. Alright. Very cool. One of the only Amtech elevators in Sacramento. Oh boy. How exciting. Well, that's one way to ruin a perfectly good elevator. Please install. Yeah, elevator technology mod. Just a slap on and a motor replacement. I don't even need a second, right? I'm disgusted.